Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now, power the phone off and remove the SIM tray so nothing shifts. Next, warm the back glass with a heat pad or hair dryer to about 60-70 degrees Celsius for a minute so the adhesive loosens. This reduces cracking. Once done, place a suction cup near the edge and insert a thin pick or guitar pick to create a 1-2 millimeter gap. Push a triangular pry tool in and run it slowly around the perimeter. Keep the heat steady so adhesive peels, not shatters. Once the back is open, remove the mid-frame screws and lift the plastic frame away. Keep screws organized by location. You will see the battery flex cable and a small metal bracket. Unscrew the bracket first, and then gently disconnect the battery FPC with a plastic spudger to avoid shorting. After disconnecting, apply a bit of isopropyl and reheat any remaining adhesive under the battery edge. Then slide a plastic card or spudger underneath and pry slowly till you install the new battery by aligning it in the tray, reconnecting the FPC, and reinstalling the small metal bracket and mid-frame screws in their original positions. Keep parts tidy so nothing gets swapped. Before sealing, boot the phone to confirm it powers on and recognizes the battery, then shut down and apply fresh adhesive or pre-cut adhesive strips to the back glass. Once sealed, press evenly for a minute. If it won't boot, recheck the battery connector and ensure no screw is missing or shorting the board.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.